Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying a very basic chapter of whole grammar, that is alphabetical order, where we'll be studying about how many alphabets are there और उसमें vowel कितने होते हैं, consonants कितने होते हैं. So let's just begin with this, and a very happy Dhanteras to one and all. And may Lord Lakshmi blesses you with lot of happiness and lot of wealth at your places, and you all keep studying and doing hard work at your places. So let's just begin with this chapter. So the title of our chapter is alphabetical order, right? So there is a warm-up exercise over here that can you write the English alphabets? You have to write down below, that is like from A to Z, you have to write all this that you can write on your own. So the letters are the smallest unit of the language. हमारी भाषा की सबसे छोटी इकाई क्या है? अक्षर, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Alphabet, right? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. English alphabets में कितने letters हैं? There are 26 letters and they are of two types, vowels and consonant. और वो कितने type के होते हैं? Consonants and vowels, right? What are vowels? Vowels, there are 5 vowels in English and they are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Vowels कितने होते हैं? 5 होते हैं और उनको क्या बोलते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. Then comes the consonant. There are 21 consonant in English and they are, जो ए ई आई ओ यू को छोड़ के जितने भी अल्फाबेट्स बचते हैं, जितने भी लेटर्स बचते हैं, उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट. जैसे इट्स बी, देन इट्स सी, देन इट्स सी, देन इट्स डी, देन इट्स एफ, जी, एच, जे, के, एल, एम, एन, राइट? देन इट्स पी, क्यू, देन इट्स आर, एस, टी, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these all are what? There are 21 consonants in English, right? Now, all the letters of the alphabets, they are written in which order? That is called alphabetical order. और जब भी हम इन्हीं alphabets को order में लिखते हैं तो हम इन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? Alphabetical order. For example, they have given you one example. For example, this is D, G, E, B, A, F, C, right? You have to write down these in alphabetical order में हमें इसको लिखना है. So it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? So the following group of letters, they are in alphabetical order. हम देख सकते हैं ये सारे जो group हैं ये alphabetical order में है. जैसे कि A, B, C, D, right? B, C, D, E, D, E, F, G, F, G, H, I, right? H, I, J, K, J, K, L, M, L, M, N, O, N, O, P, Q, right? P, Q, R, S, R, S, T, U, T, U, U, T, U, V, W, and W, X, Y, Z, right? So the following group of letters, they are not in alphabetical order. आप ये जो group हम पढ़ेंगे ये कौन से हैं? ये alphabetical order में नहीं है. जैसे कि K, L, A, B, right? F, G, A, M, N, O, A, D, P, O, L, D, right? There will be a recap that we'll be studying, that there are 26 letters in English alphabet में 26 letters हैं. All the letters written in the correct order, they are the alphabet. जो कि correct order में लिखे होते हैं उन्हें को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Alphabets बोलते हैं, right? Letters are of two types, जिसके अंदर vowels और consonants होते हैं. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and instead of vowels remaining 21 letters are the consonant. जो बचे हुए हैं 5 के अलावा उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Consonant. Moving on to the exercise, right? You have to write the following letters in English alphabetical order. आपको इसको alphabetical order में लिखना है, right? So as you can see, यहाँ पे सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? हम लोग सबसे पहले यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे A, B, C में C दिया हुआ है, then D, and then E, and then comes R, right? Second में हम देख सकते हैं A, B, C, D, E, F, E, F नहीं है, G नहीं है, H, I, J, K, L, then M, and then comes the Q, right? And over here it's A, B, C, D, and over here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and then O, right? This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S, right? U, V, यहाँ देख सकते हैं हम U, V, W, X, Y, Z, right? And over here A, B, C, D, D, E, F, and then last is L. Over here it's B, A, B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and then over here last is R. Over here it's A, B, then it's M and N, right? Over here it's E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Then over here it's C, then comes the F, and then M, N, O, P, N, and then P. And over here it's B, C, G, and W, right? You have to look at the pictures and write the number in the alphabetical order. हम यहाँ से देखेंगे 1 to 10 है, तो सबसे पहले A वाला चीज आएगा, right? So first we'll be writing over here it's apple, right? And then it's about B, और B वाली चीज क्या है यहाँ पे? This is boy. Then it's cat, then it's dog, ABCDE हो गया है, and then it's F. F वाला कुछ है यहाँ पे? Yes, F है. This is fish. ABCDEF E, ABCDEFG वाला कुछ है. Then H नहीं है. IJ, look at this, IJ. Then K, K, then L, M नहीं है. This is 10, right? First we have done it's apple, then it's boy, then C for cat, then D for dog, then E for elephant, then F for fish, then G का कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे, right? H का कुछ नहीं है, J का कुछ नहीं है, L का है, M नहीं है, N भी नहीं है, O भी नहीं है, then it's P. Now over here it will be mango, right? And the last one is parrot, right? So I hope you all understood about alphabetical order. Please go and revise this and do this revision of whatever I have taught you just now, and please keep revising and stay blessed. Thank you.